am so excited, and I'll tell you what, I just had a water pack on my back, ready to go out the door for a hike, but this was waiting for me at my front door. I'm so excited about this. This is like what it's like. It's Christmas. Every month, the Flipping 50 member box is something I'm so excited about. I teamed up with Member Box, and you too can get this experience every month. I handpick everything that goes in here, and even I know what's in here, and I'm excited about it. So there's a note from me every month. So this is what I'm super excited about. In this month, we added something special. It's this, right? Everything else in here is super cool too, but it's this, all right? You know I'm a visor girl. I'm a golfer, or was. I'm a golf mom, but this is what I wear when I run. When I'm outside, hiking, running, I love a visor. And I love a visor most that says Flipping 50. So I am super excited about this myself. I hope you are equally excited. I know some of you are not visor girls, you're hat girls, but I'm gonna try to persuade you to become a visor girl. So here's the rest of the goodies in this box. This one is all about skincare, because when I'm out in the elements, I am hiking, running, I've got to protect this because you know what it's like. That wasn't there yesterday, right? Those crow's feet, the little lines around your mouth, the double W up here, all of those things more pronounced. So this is about taking care of the lips with some awesome stuff, making sure that you've got some ointment protecting your skin. I will put something specific on before I get into a chlorinated pool to keep my skin from drying out, and then I'm careful and cautious afterward as well. This is super yummy as well. Himalayan sea salt. If you're not using that already in the kitchen, start. But here's what's unique about this. They're in rock size. Super awesome. And when you come back from a long run, or you're just in hot, humid conditions, or hot, dry, as I'm about to be in Scottsdale, replenishing not just your liquid, but your salt is more important than you think. I know we all panic with, oh, I'm retaining water. But actually, when you're gonna exercise in the heat, retaining water before you go out prolongs your endurance and your stamina, and you feel better at the end than you would if you were without it. So this is super good. And then toner, right? So I'm gonna be out there in the dust and the dirt, and then you've gotta take off all of that soot and give yourself a little bit of a perk for renewed rejuvenation. It's awesome. So all of those things come in a box, specially hand-picked for you by me from people I trust. So you're not going out randomly trying things, spending money on things that are not good. They're all gifted to you right here. And then if you love them, here's the thing about the member box. You can get them at prices if you decide, I want to keep using that. You can get them at prices you won't find anywhere else, including on Amazon. That's a pretty good and special deal for health and wellness that will help your fitness. It's not just about exercise. It's what goes on and into you. And I'll see you on the flip side.